Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. To make this top you will need a weight 4 cotton yarn and a 3.5mm hook. This top will fit a size small to a medium. So start off by making a chain 17. And then once you have your chain done, you're going to make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And then you're going to make a double crochet all the way to the very end. And then when you get to that very last stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Just like so. Place my second double crochet. And then you're going to chain 1 and make another 2 double crochets into that same stitch again. And then you're going to be working on the opposite side. So just make your regular double crochets to the very end. So once you have that row done, you're going to chain 3 and then you're going to turn, and then you're going to make double crochets until you reach that chain 1 space at the very top of the cup. So you keep going until you reach that chain 1 space. Once you get to that chain 1 space, you're going to make 2 double crochets and then a chain 1 and then another 2 double crochets. So you make all those stitches into that 1 space. And then you're going to double crochet to the very end. So just keep repeating that row until you have a total of 8 rows. If you want it bigger or smaller, just do less or more rows. And then obviously you're going to make two cups. So this is the second cup I've made and the yarn is still attached. So you're going to chain 3 here. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. And then you're going to make a double crochet right into the side of that double crochet. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you can see from here. Right there. So you make 2 double crochets into that space. And then just keep continuing across that lower edge of the cup by making 2 double crochets into each side of the double crochet post. So once you have crocheted across the lower edge, you will end up with about 32 double crochets. So once you're finished doing the lower edge of the cup, you're going to chain 3 and then you're going to grab your other cup and you're going to make a double crochet into the side of the double crochet post, like so. And then you're going to make another double crochet right beside that. And then just keep continuing across that cup in the same way by putting 2 double crochets into the side of every double crochet post all the way across. And you'll end up with 67 stitches. And those 67 stitches also include the 3 stitches in the middle. So once you have that row finished, you're going to chain 3 and then you're going to double crochet all the way across. Make sure you do 3 double crochets into the 3 chains in between the 2 cups, and then continue that row for, I think I did 4 rows altogether, but you can do whatever number of rows you want. And at the end of every row you'll have 67 stitches. So yeah, don't forget to make your 3 double crochets into these 3 chains. For the next row, you're going to chain 5. And then you're going to wrap your yarn around the hook twice. You're going to skip 2 stitches. And then you're going to make a treble crochet. Then you're going to chain 2, yarn around twice. You're preparing for your treble crochet. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the next, yarn over, bring through, yarn over, bring through 2, yarn over, bring through 2 more, and then yarn over and bring through the last 2, and that's your treble crochet done. So just chain 2 again, skip 2 stitches and then treble crochet into the next, and continue that all the way across the row. So for the next row you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to prepare for a double treble crochet. That's where you wrap the yarn around 3 times and then insert it into the treble crochet from the previous round. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2 more. That's your double treble crochet done. Then chain 4, and then prepare for a double treble crochet again, and then you're going to make a double treble crochet into that post. Just like so, and then you're going to repeat that 3 times into just around that treble crochet. So you'll end up with 5 double treble crochet. The chain 4 at the start counts as your first double treble crochet. Now prepare for your next double treble crochet. Skip the chain 2 space, the treble crochet, the next chain 2 space, and then make your double treble crochet into the following treble crochet, just like so. And then chain 4, this counts as your first double treble crochet. Prepare for your next double treble crochet and then make it around that post. And repeat that 3 more times around that post, just like so. And don't forget, you'll end up having 5 double treble crochets. The chain 4 at the start counts as your first double treble crochet. So just repeat that whole process until you reach the very end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, you'll have something like this left. So into the 3rd chain, make a treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. There's your treble crochet. Not a double treble crochet, just a treble crochet. So now we're going to be working from the top part. So attach your yarn into the chain 1 space at the top of the cup. And then chain 4. Skip the next double crochet and then double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip the next, double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and then double crochet into the next. And just repeat that process all the way down. Prepare for a double treble crochet, yarning over 3 times, and then you're going to work into the middle stitch of the 3 stitches that we had at the start. That's in between the 2 cups. So right into that middle stitch, make your double treble crochet. Just like so. Now we're going to be working on the other side. So make your double crochet right there into that first double crochet. Then chain 1, skip the next stitch, then double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet into the next, and just keep continuing like that until you reach the chain 1 space on that side. So just chain 1 and then double crochet into that chain 1 space. Skip that one and then double crochet into that chain 1 space. And then from here we're going to make the first shoulder strap. So make a chain of about 100, 150, and then cut your yarn. And then for the other strap, attach your yarn into the top of the chain 4, just like so, and then make your second strap chain 100, 150, or whatever length you want. Now we're going to be working on the side. This is completely optional. If you want to leave it out, you can. So I have 4 rows done, but you might have 5, 6, or whatever number of rows you have. So attach your yarn into the side of this double crochet. Then chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, and then make a double crochet around that same double crochet post. So there's 2 double crochets. Then you're going to make 2 double crochets into this post. So because I did 4 rows, I will end up having 8 double crochets. If you did 5 rows, you'll make 10 double crochets, and so on and so on. So there's my 8 double crochets. Then for the next row, chain 3, and then double crochet across those stitches again. I think I did 3 rows, but it all depends on how much coverage you want on your sides. So yeah. So once I had my 3 rows done, I made my first strap by making a chain of 200, 250. Then I cut the yarn, and then I attached it to the top of the chain 3 here. I made another 200, 250 chains. I cut that, and then I repeated it on the other side. And that's it, your top is now finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Till next time, bye.